Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to handle on-site repairs for the Swingo 4000, 5000 ride-on scrubbers. Now before getting started, explain what you were there to do and give your contact a chance to ask questions. The Swingo 4000, 5000 are very similar scrubbers. The 4000 scrubber has a 34-inch cleaning path and the 5000 scrubber is slightly larger with a 42-inch cleaning path. The Swingo 4000 takes two 17-inch disc-style pad drivers or brushes. The Swingo 5000 takes four 11-inch disc-style pad drivers or brushes. Both scrubbers use a standard W-shaped squeegee assembly. The serial number is located behind the seat on the solution recovery tank. The battery compartment is located under the seat. Both machines use four 6-volt 305 amp-hour AGM batteries and have an off-board charging system. The USB communications cable for the TASKI service tool can be accessed inside the battery chamber. Let's take a look at the controls. First, let's check the e-stop to make sure it's not engaged. To turn the machine on, turn the key to the start position. On the right side of the panel, above the key switch are the forward-backward travel button, the horn, the slow speed button, the emergency stop, the battery charge indicator, which goes from green, charged, to yellow to red. The service light, which turns on after 650 working hours and can be reset by holding the solution plus or minus button for 2 seconds. In the center, above the steering wheel, there's the operating hours LED. On the left side of the panel there are the program button, the eco button, the vac on and off, the solution on and off, the brush deck on and off, the brush pressure plus or minus, the solution plus or minus, the recovery tank full indicator light, the solution tank empty indicator light. The solution system in the 4000, 5000 starts in the rear of the machine. Both the 4000 and the 5000 have the bladder bag solution system. The bladder bag holds the clean water, and as the machine runs, the dirty water will displace the clean and the bag will shrink. The clean water gets pulled by a 24-volt pump up through the solution line. The clean water passes by a solution sensor that tells the board, yes, we have solution going. If no solution is in the line, the sensor sends the signal to the board to say, hey, there's no water in here. At that point, the empty solution indicator light will light up. From there, the flow travels down to the magnetic valve assembly, or some people call it a solenoid. After the valve assembly, the line splits into two on the 4000, but splits into four on the 5000. Then travels to the brush deck, allowing the solution to dispense onto the floor. On the 4000, 5000, you will have dual brush motors. On the 4000, each brush has its own motor that spins a two-stage belt pulley reduction system that actually turns the brushes. It's the same on the 5000 with a two-stage belt pulley reduction system that actually spins 4 brushes instead of 2. To install the brush or pad driver, position the tool underneath the brush deck and press the brush deck on and off button. The tool will latch into position by means of several short rotation cycles. You can also position the tool underneath the brush deck and use your hands to push up until the tool latches into place. To remove the brush or pad, simply press down on the foot lever attached to the brush plate. The recovery systems in the 4000, 5000 start at the vac motor, which is located above the solution recovery tank in the lid. To gain access to the motor, use a T30 torque screwdriver and remove the 2 screws. The vac motor in the lid creates suction in the tank that draws the dirty water through the squeegee assembly and into the hoses. Then it goes up through the gray standpipes and into the debris filter and down into the recovery tank. The recovery shutoff is controlled by a hall sensor located behind the seat underneath the black panel. The water rises to the sensor that sends the signal to the board that says, hey, we're full. At this time, the full recovery tank indicator will light up. To drain the solution, lift the bladder bag and frame and invert the bag so that the clean water pours into the recovery tank. Then lift out the bladder bag and hang it so it can air out. To drain the recovery tank, unhook the drain hose in the back of the machine and remove the plug cap. Leave the recovery tank lid open so that the tank can air out as well. All TASKI equipment have 5 daily maintenance points, usually indicated by the color yellow. The 4000, 5000 actually have 4 daily maintenance points that are indicated by the color yellow and 1 that is not. These maintenance points include the brush assembly, the squeegee assembly, the recovery debris filter, the vacuum fan filter, and the solution filter, which is not yellow. You can find a ton of support material for TASKI equipment or all other brands of floor cleaning equipment by going to usaclean.com. For any immediate assistance or any help with any type of other floor cleaning equipment, always give us a call at 1-800-USA-CLEAN. From all of us here at USA Clean, thanks for watching.